Replacing a door might seem straightforward, but many homeowners in Colombia find themselves facing costly fixes or safety issues because of overlooked details. Whether you're upgrading your front entry, installing a new patio door, or replacing an interior door, avoiding the following mistakes will save time, money, and frustration. Not measuring accurately. One of the most frequent and expensive mistakes is taking incorrect measurements. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can result in gaps, poor sealing, and a door that doesn't close properly. Avoid this by measuring the width, height, and depth of the frame at multiple points. Taking into account any trim, casing, or threshold adjustments. Double-checking your numbers before ordering. Choosing the wrong door material. Colombia's climate can be humid, with fluctuating temperatures that affect how materials perform. Wood doors may warp over time, while steel doors can rust if not properly treated. Avoid this by considering weather resistance when choosing between wood, fiberglass, and steel. Opting for insulated doors if energy efficiency is a priority. Matching the style to your home while keeping durability in mind. Skipping proper weatherproofing. A new door without adequate sealing can lead to drafts, water intrusion, and higher energy bills. Avoid this by installing quality weather stripping and door sweeps. Applying sealant around the frame to prevent leaks. Checking the alignment to ensure an even fit that keeps out air and moisture. Ignoring the frame and hardware. Many people focus on the door slab itself but overlook the condition of the frame, hinges, and locks. If these are damaged or misaligned, the new door won't function properly. Avoid this by inspecting the frame for rot, cracks, or warping before installation. Replacing worn or rusted hinges and screws. Upgrading locks for better security. DIY installation without experience. While installing a door yourself can save money, improper installation can lead to uneven gaps, security issues, and reduced energy efficiency. Avoid this by honestly assessing your skills and tools before starting. Following manufacturer guidelines precisely. Hiring a professional installer if you're unsure, especially for exterior doors. Overlooking local building code. In Colombia, certain door types, glass panels, or security features may be subject to building codes. Ignoring these rules can cause problems when selling your home or lead to fines. Avoid this by checking local building regulations before making a purchase. Ensuring that your door meets fire safety and egress requirements if applicable. Working with a contractor familiar with Colombia's codes. Focusing only on price. Choosing the cheapest option may seem like a win, but low-quality doors often have shorter lifespans and require more repairs. Avoid this by balancing cost with quality, durability, and warranty. Considering long-term value over upfront savings. Factoring in installation and maintenance costs. Final thoughts. fact, replacing a door in Colombia is more than just swapping out an old one for something new. It's about ensuring proper fit, durability, security, and efficiency. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can enjoy a door that enhances your home's curb appeal, lowers energy bills, and keeps your family safe. If you're unsure where to start, consult with a local door specialist who understands Colombia's climate and building codes. The right expertise will make the process smoother and help you avoid costly missteps.